Thanks for tuning in. As you probably know already, Insta360 provided another great update for its thumb-sized 18 grams action camera, the Insta360 GO. And putting it on a FPV drone just got a lot more fun and rewarding. So stay tuned and find out what it is. The Insta360 GO, with its ultra lightweight of 18 grams and 1080p HD recording with its amazing flow state stabilization, was already a great choice to put on a drone for aerial shots. But it was only able to record up to 1 minute, which even for micro drone pilots was just too short. Then came the famous FPV mode firmware update that enabled a 5-minute recording, provided that there was wind blowing against the camera to prevent it from overheating. But there was another catch. The stabilization feature tried to correct for the barrel rolls and front and back flips, making it look like this. This is precisely what the latest update, version 1.4.1, addresses. Here's some tips on using the all-new FPV stabilized mode. If you mount your Insta360 GO straight up, you're all okay. But if you mount it sideways like I do, the usual 16:9 landscape mode will show you a portrait image rotated 90 degrees. So to get the landscape, you have to choose the 9:16 portrait option, and after you generate the video, open the Photos app and rotate it to the correct position there. If you mount it sideways, it's easier to have the camera lens on the left side when you're facing it, because in post, you only need to tap the Rotate 90 Degrees button once. Please give me a like and leave a comment if you found this helpful, and stick around for the flight footage. Hope to see you again.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose now. It's like my love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to.